Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making beer braised duck, a rich, flavorful dish that's incredibly satisfying. If you've ever worried about duck being too gamey, I will show you a simple technique to make it tender and delicious. Let's get started. Here I have half a fresh duck, and I had the butcher chop it into small pieces for convenience. To remove any gamey taste, first, mix the duck with 3 tablespoons of cooking wine, rubbing it thoroughly. Then add 2 tablespoons of flour and massage it well. This helps absorb impurities. After the mixture becomes sticky, rinse the duck in water several times until it's completely clean. Drain well and set aside. We will need ginger slices, onion chunks, garlic cloves, chopped green and red chilies, scallion sections, star anise, dried chili peppers, and bay leaves. Here is a quick note. If you are using the frozen duck, blanch it in boiling water to remove the excess blood. But fresh duck doesn't need this step. Heat some oil in the wok. Add ginger slices and stir fry until fragrant. Once they change color, add the duck. Don't stir immediately after adding the duck. Instead, gently shake the wok to prevent sticking. This allows the duck to sear properly. The more water it releases, the higher its water content. Let it cook until most of the moisture evaporates, but not completely dry. This helps concentrate the flavor without overcooking the duck. Now add the star anise, dried chili peppers, and bay leaves, stirring until aromatic. Then season with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 10 grams of oyster sauce. Mix well until the duck is evenly coated in sauce. Pour in boiling water until it covers the ingredients completely. Then add a can of beer. Important, always add the beer after water to prevent bitterness. Let it simmer uncovered for 3 to 5 minutes before transferring everything to a pressure cooker or multifunction rice cooker. If you use pressure cooker, cook for 15 to 20 minutes after pressure builds. If you use multifunction rice cooker, use the slow cooker mode and let it braise for 1 hour. Since it's not an open flame, you don't need to watch it. Feel free to do something else in the meantime. Once done, transfer the duck back into the wok, removing any large aromatics. Season with 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of chicken powder, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes to concentrate the sauce. As it reduces, the duck will take on a deeper color and a richer taste. Now you can add the chopped green and red chilies. Then pour in the remaining bit of beer. This final touch boosts the aroma. Cover and let it steam for 30 seconds to 1 minute. While the duck is steaming, prepare a clay pot for serving. Heat a little cooking oil in the wok and add the garlic cloves, onion chunks, and scallion sections. Transfer the braised duck into the clay pot. Now it's ready to serve. Wow, this duck is soft, flavorful, and packed with rich beer aroma. The meat is incredibly tender and juicy. You have to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.